the way he was talking, he thinks that BJP is now becoming strong. Why he is talking about BJP? He is telling BJP is our ideological enemy. What is his ideology? Nobody knows. So, he is talking about Kachetivu. Who donated Kachetivu, on whose regime it was given? He is not talking about that. And he is talking Prime Minister has not done anything. What about Operation Sindoor? The whole world is appreciating our Honorable Prime Minister. We are not expecting any appreciation from actor Vijay. So today it is almost a single day drama. That's all I can say. Because the way he was talking, the way he was enacting, and the people were coming and just saw him, they were even hearing his message and they were moving. So most probably, unless the television actually broadcast it, nobody, no, even the people who were there, then another thing, precautions. Yesterday, that lamp post of the flag lamp post, actually it fell down, and the light post, that fell down, and the people, even the hot sun, there was no any organized meeting, so it was not, it's really a confusion. And he was telling, he portrays himself as a lion, and he is telling all the politicians are not clever, at the same time all the actors are not full. Nobody is telling like that. He himself imagining something and he is talking something. So I thought he may be having some matter in his speech, but today he revealed his empty speech. That's all I can say.